Hey guys, what's up? And today we are going to be doing another house tour because I did a vote in my post, which is like, do you want me to do another house tour or do you want me not? Most people voted for house tour, so let's do it. Another one. You know what my house looks like, but it might have changed over time. First we got the NAF. That's I'll show you it in order. This is the first series of FNAF Funko Snaps. This is the second series. This one, and this one is the third series. And this is a party bag that I got, but now it's my FNAF faces that I'm not using because I'm keeping the first series Angry Faces FNAFs there. So basically this is my living room. Go to the light. Go to the light. No, don't go to. No, don't. Oh, super thing. Nabocula. That actually sounds really rude when I say it. There she is. What is this? Ooh, Cake Kazoom. It's golden. Wow. Hey, I thought I had something. I don't remember where it is though. It's a surprise. I'll go get it. Oh, there it is. Oh, my favourite. This is my favourite. Well, one of my favourite things. I felt like not eating the sweets in it. And just playing with it. Whee! He's having the time of his life. Ah. Okay, bye-bye. I have no idea why there's a sleeping mask here. It's okay, lollipop. Rah. Hey, you want to look at my couches? Yeah, I know. It's couches. Oh, say hello to Snappy. He bites. Oh, super things. Sorry if it's blurry, by the way. I have no idea why it's blurry. Oh, it's annoying when it's blurry. Friday the 13th. Dun, dun, dun. I forgot his name. Ooh. It's Ragnar the dog's friend. Oh, I show you some more couches, and I show you my BFF. Say hello to my BFF. Wake up, BFF. He's no idea what's going on. Ooh, ooh. You wanna hang upside down? Well, you are hanging upside down. Title, Mickey. Mickey. Ooh. Still? I actually don't know what that is. Door. This is normally a Ted chills out. Say hello, Pumpkin. Hello, Pumpkin. Did you see me there? Did you see me? Did you see me?